keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the right side.
All right, bring it up another 10 feet.
Pull back on the left side, watch the foot. Easy now, keep that pressure steady.
Heave. Harder now.
It's almost through. Keep those lines tight, secure the base.
Almost there, boss. Landing gear clear.
All right, set her down. This looks solid. Double check the rear bindings before we roll out.
The structural integrity readings are coming in low on the right leg.
Yeah, the corrosion is extensive there. We need a full decontamination sweep before we move it.
The straps look secure, but keep an eye on the weight distribution.
All right, team, focus on the structural integrity around the chest plating. We need those readings now. Then move to the hip joints.
The G1 specs indicate reinforced plating here, but the corrosion index is critical.
As you can see, the red zones indicate severe structural corrosion, particularly around the joints. We need to prioritize stabilization.
What about the moss infiltration?
Look at section gamma 12 on your sheets. The pitting here is severe. I want a full sonic scan before we apply the sealant. So if we look at step 4 on the schematic, this highlights the primary energon conduits. We need to bypass these before we even touch the outer plating on the torso. Easy now, easy. Watch the clearance on the left. Just a little lower. Clear on the right, keep it coming down.
That rust penetration on the temporal lobe is deeper than we thought.
Should we increase the pressure on the blasters?
Yes, but carefully.
Look at the corrosion here on the shin. It gives all the way through.
Noted. How are we looking on replacement parts for this section?
Okay, hydraulic fully cycled. We are green across the board. The plating looks perfect.
Hook the main cables to the torso mounts now. Easy on the ascent, keep it level. Hold position at 20 feet.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance.
Easy, easy. Looks aligned here.
Holding steady, confirming secure.
We did it! He's finally complete!